Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can delete your TikTok post. So if you're using a web browser or a TikTok application on your PC or laptop, and you can also follow the same steps on your mobile device as well. So first, you need to go to tiktok.com, log into your specific account, then tap on your profile picture from the top right corner or from the left-hand side to go to your profile section. This will display all the videos that you have uploaded so far on your TikTok account. You'll also be able to see the repost, the favorite section, and also the liked section. Find the video which you want to delete. Then tap on the three dot in the top right corner. In your mobile device, this three dot is in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then after, you have two different options. You can either go ahead and use the privacy settings option where you can go ahead and set it to only you so that it is not accessible or it cannot be viewed by anyone except you instead of deleting it directly. Otherwise, you can also go ahead and click on the three dots, then select delete or the bin icon in your mobile device and then tap on delete again to confirm and you'll be done. You can see that the indication is showing that the video has been deleted. Likewise, you can do it for as many videos you want in TikTok. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.